Welcome to Writing for Digital. This comprehensive guide will teach you everything you need to know about creating engaging content for online readers. Whether you're writing blog posts, social media updates, or website copy, the principles you'll learn here will help you connect with your audience and achieve your goals. Let's dive in. Digital writing is fundamentally different from traditional writing. Online readers don't read word by word like they do with books or newspapers. Instead, they scan, they skim, they jump around looking for information that matters to them. Readers also have short attention spans online. They're easily distracted by notifications, other tabs, and endless content. This means your digital writing must be clear, scannable, and valuable from the very first sentence. Every word needs to earn its place. The inverted pyramid is a fundamental concept in digital writing. It means putting the most important information at the very top, then supporting details below. Start with your main message or answer. Then add context and background. Finally, include nice-to-know details. This structure respects how readers actually consume online content. They get the key information immediately without having to read everything. If they want more details, they can continue reading. But they're never left wondering what the article is about. Your headline is everything in digital writing. It's what makes readers decide whether to click or scroll past. A great headline is clear and specific. It tells readers exactly what they'll learn or get from the content. Avoid vague or clickbait headlines that promise something but don't deliver. Use numbers when possible because they grab attention and set clear expectations. For example, 5 tips for better writing works better than how to write better. Use power words like proven, essential, or surprising. Most importantly, make your headline benefit-focused. Tell readers why they should care. Never write long, dense paragraphs online. Break your text into short, focused paragraphs. 2 to 3 sentences is ideal. 1 sentence is completely fine. White space is your friend. It makes your content less intimidating and easier to navigate. Use short paragraphs to give readers' eyes a break and create visual rhythm. This simple technique dramatically improves readability and comprehension. Dense paragraphs make readers feel overwhelmed, and they're more likely to leave your page. Lists and bullets are powerful tools in digital writing. They break up content and make it scannable. Use bullet points when you have related items of equal importance. Use numbered lists when the order matters or you're presenting steps. Subheadings act like signposts. They tell readers what each section is about and help them find what they're looking for. A well-structured article with clear subheadings keeps readers engaged because they can quickly navigate to the sections that interest them most. Subheadings also help search engines understand your content better. Always prefer active voice over passive voice. In active voice, the subject performs the action. In passive voice, the subject receives the action. Active voice is clearer, stronger, and more engaging. Compare these 2 sentences. The report was written by Sarah versus Sarah wrote the report. The second one is stronger and more direct. Use strong action verbs instead of weak or generic ones. Instead of the company was affected by the change, try the change impacted the company. Strong verbs make your writing more vivid and engaging. They also use fewer words, which is essential in digital writing. Tell your readers what to do next. Don't assume they'll figure it out. A call to action is a clear instruction that guides readers toward your desired outcome. It could be sign up for our newsletter, read the full article, share your thoughts in the comments, or download this resource. Make your calls to action specific and easy to follow. Use action verbs and create a sense of urgency when appropriate. Calls to action increase engagement and help you achieve your content goals. They transform passive readers into active participants. Search engine optimization, or SEO, helps your content get found online. Research relevant keywords that your audience is searching for. Integrate these keywords naturally into your headings, subheadings, and throughout your content. Don't overuse keywords or your writing becomes awkward and unnatural. Write for humans first, search engines second. Provide genuine value to readers. Search engines reward content that people find helpful and want to share. Include keywords in your first paragraph, in subheadings, and naturally throughout your content. Link to relevant sources and other pages. This helps search engines understand your content and improves your ranking. Let's recap the most important points. First, write for your reader first. Clarity, brevity, and scannability matter more than showing off your vocabulary. Second, structure beats content length. Well-organized content with clear headings, lists, and plenty of white space outperforms dense paragraphs every single time. Third, action drives results. Use active voice, strong verbs, and clear calls to action. Tell your readers what to do, not just what happened. Master these fundamentals, and your digital writing will connect with readers, rank in search results, and drive real action.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.